Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have salmon with a basil balsamic salsa. First thing we got to do is make the salsa. All right, as you can see here, I have diced up 2 tomatoes. These were Roma tomatoes, to be specific. Then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped basil. And then we want to add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and salt and pepper to taste. Last but not least, we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And then you want to give everything a quick stir. And once that's done, set it aside and let's move on to cooking the salmon. Okay, now in a pan with oil heating over medium heat, it's time to cook our salmon. As you can see here, I've pre-seasoned the salmon. The seasoning mix was a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of basil, a 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now, I like to cook my salmon skin on, and I cook it about 95% on the skin. I do flip it occasionally, but most of the time it's skin on that pan, boom, 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 and then you flip it, and you just kind of want to lightly sear the salmon. I like to cook my salmon to about medium or so. I don't like well done salmon. All right, let's zip ahead a little bit in time. As you can see here, our salmon is coming along nicely. It's almost ready to come out. So let's get to plating. Okay, we got our salmon piece, and now it's just time to add a bit of the salsa on top, and that's it. Salmon with a basil balsamic salsa. And this salmon did not last that long. Everybody ate the hell out of it. But it's also done.